Ever since TWS earbuds have come into existence, I have been really intrigued by how good a wireless product can sound. But I was particularly blown away by this new pair of TWS earbuds that I have been using for quite some time now. It is the all-new OPPO Enco Air3 Pro. It is nothing less than amazing. The earbuds look and feel amazing in hand, are very compact, sound great, and pack in some serious tech. In this video, I'll share my experience with them as my daily driver and how they made me ditch my existing pair of earbuds. So let's get started. Before coming to the design of these earbuds, I want to talk about one of the industry's first features that OPPO has integrated into their Enco Air3 Pro. The Enco Air3 Pro has used the world's first bamboo fiber diaphragm, which has 3 significant improvements over the usually used titanium-plated diaphragm. It exceeds 40 kHz and also reduces higher frequency noise and delivers a soft and enticing high-fidelity sound. With the use of bamboo fiber diaphragm, the device is very light as compared to my previous earbuds. In fact, it makes the TWS 40% lighter than a titanium-plated diaphragm of the same thickness. Now, this made them respond more quickly to changes in sound, thereby giving me a more agile audio experience. The special material also increases the rigidity by 44% as compared to titanium plating. The sound experience that I got is thus free of distortions and smooth. The diaphragms offered a more natural audio quality as compared to my previous earbuds. OPPO Enco Air3 Pro comes in 2 stunning color options, green and white. I had the green color variant with me and I loved how vibrant it looked. It surely is something different from your conventional looking TWS earbuds. The bubble design of the top cover is a fresh choice and a much appreciated one. The visible wavy pattern adds up to the entire look and feel of it. The unique color scheme on this one is probably something that piqued everyone's interest around me. The golden colored OPPO logo too looks different and is a fresh design choice. The buds have a unique engraved indication marking for each ear instead of the usual print that you see on regular earbuds. The earplug is made up of high quality silicone that was quite soft and did not cause me any discomfort even when I used it for long hours. As I already mentioned that the earbuds are quite light, and further enhancing this was the shorter stem of these earbuds that didn't make me feel their weight while wearing these. I used it while working out, walking, or attending online team calls pretty much everywhere. I usually go for walks to get inspiration for my next video concept, and there are times when I listen to music continuously while writing a script, and these earbuds were as comfortable as an earbud can be. I did not feel the need to take a break from using these, unlike my current earbuds, which required me to take them out after every hour or so as it starts to hurt my ear. OPPO Enco Air3 Pro packs great sound quality along with world-class engineering. They sport 12.4mm dynamic drivers that deliver clear, the right amount of loud and thumping audio. These earbuds come equipped with adaptive 49 decibels ANC support and ensure your audio listening experience isn't hampered by the environment you're in. I like to focus when writing something, even in my workspace. I can just plug these in and forget that there are people around me and focus on what I'm writing. One can change the switch from ANC to transparency mode with just a simple gesture and get back to reality in a jiffy. It ensured I did not miss out on my surroundings while listening to my favorite track. Providing users like me who use the earbuds in a variety of different environments, the Enco Air3 Pro provides further noise cancellation benefits. You also get wind noise cancellation that suppresses wind noise that I could use while traveling, and dual mic AI noise cancellation for all my Zoom calls. OPPO Enco Air3 Pro also features a live audio which delivers a spatial surround sound to suit the space you are in. To suit the user's listening preference further, OPPO has developed Golden Sound 2.0 technology, which creates a user-specific ear canal model using just a short listening test. It keeps improving over time and delivers a tailor-made audio experience. I was also impressed with the Enco Master, which comes with 3 preset audio tunings. This really helped me when I listened to different kinds of tracks to enhance their specific beats like bass boost, an original sound for high-tone audio lovers, and the natural inspiration preset tuning for more natural acoustic effect in my music. The natural sound is further enhanced by the use of the bamboo fiber diaphragm. Gone are the days when we had to disconnect the current device from our earbuds just so that we can use it on another device. The OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro can connect to 2 devices at the same time and make sure your listening experience is not hampered. The earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3 to ensure low latency audio, best for your games when you cannot afford a lag in audio. I too played a couple of FPS games using these earbuds and the experience was amazing. The device also connects perfectly with my smartphone as it supports the LDAC Ultra Clear Transmission Protocol, giving me seamless audio when I play music from my Reno 10 Pro 5G. Battery life is another area where these earbuds shine. The earbuds promise to deliver up to 7 hours of playback and up to 30 hours when used with the case. I didn't have to charge these after using them for an entire day of my mixed usage, where I edited a couple of reels, watched a movie, listened to the audio while traveling, and attended calls throughout my day. At the end of the day, I still had 30% juice left. It uses a USB Type-C charging port and gives you a 2-hour playback time with just a 10-minute charge. The OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro is an impressive pair of TWS earbuds that look stunning with its gradient color scheme and the overall look and feel of it. They sound amazing thanks to OPPO's inclusions like adaptive ANC, Alive Audio, and Golden Sound 2.0, and they come at an affordable price tag as well. The kind of features the OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro packs in is just unreal, especially when you consider the price. I got a chance to use them thoroughly, and to my surprise, I do not wish to use my previous earbuds any longer despite the heavy amount that I paid for them. OPPO Enco Air 3 Pro are available to buy at Rs 4,999 through OPPO stores, Amazon and Flipkart. Go check out the device today and do share your feedback with us. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one, and until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech. Bye-bye.